Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 129, effective until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Tennessee: Benton, Dixon, Hickman, Houston, Humphreys, Montgomery, Perry, and Stewart. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Henderson County in West Tennessee, southwestern Benton County in West Tennessee, southeastern Carroll County in West Tennessee, northeastern Madison County in West Tennessee, north central Decatur County in West Tennessee, until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Blue Goose, or 11 miles northwest of Lexington, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Lexington, Huntington, Natchez Trace State Park, Natchez Trace State Forest, Brewston, Blue Goose, Parker's Crossroads, Bargaton, Wildersville, Hollow Rock, Clarksburg, Howley, Hickory Flat, Hilliard, Dollar, Cedar Grove, Beach Bluff, Union Cross, Juneau, and Holiday. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time for West Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time for West Tennessee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Tennessee: Benton, Carroll, Decatur, Henderson, and Madison. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for Callaway County in western Kentucky, southeastern Marshall County in western Kentucky, southwestern Trigg County in western Kentucky, until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a tornado-producing storm was located near Murray, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar-confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Turkey Bay, land between the lakes area and Golden Pond Visitor Center around 2:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Wrangler's Campground, Energy Lake Campground, and Kenton. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Callaway, Kentucky. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Stewart County in Middle Tennessee until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Paris Landing State Park, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dover, Big Rock, and land between the lakes. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Stewart, Tennessee. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Perry County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles south of Hurricane Mills, or 13 miles north of Linden, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Louisville, Pinewood, and Bucks North. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 142 and 160. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Humphreys, Tennessee.
But if you don't have to go to the grocery store, just don't do that. So Pinewood 3.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Lewis County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Wayne County in Middle Tennessee, northern Lawrence County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Waynesboro, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waynesboro, Collinwood, Eastridge, Gordonsburg, and Henryville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lewis County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Lawrence County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Summertown, or 11 miles southeast of Hohenwald, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbia, Mount Pleasant, Summertown, Gordonsburg, Henryville, and Hampshire. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.